Most finance channels won't tell you this, but AI changed my life. 3 months ago, I had no idea that AI would change my investment tracking forever. Let's dive in. 3 months ago, I was happily using Robinhood as my primary investment platform. It was user-friendly, commission-free trades, and seemed perfect for my needs. But little did I know, things were about to change dramatically. I started noticing some limitations with Robinhood. The app was great for beginners, but as my portfolio grew, I needed more advanced features. That's when I stumbled upon an article about how AI is revolutionizing finance trackers. Intrigued, I decided to explore further. The setup begins. I spent hours researching the best personal finance apps and trackers. I wanted something that could handle my growing portfolio efficiently. After testing several options, I narrowed it down to Fidelity. Fidelity has been around for decades, known for its reliability and comprehensive features. But could it really be better than Robinhood? Rising action unfolds. I decided to test Fidelity for a month. The first thing I noticed was the level of detail in the investment track. Fidelity provided deep insights into my portfolio performance, something Robinhood couldn't match. Plus, the AI power analysis gave me personalized investment tips based on my goals. Complications arise. As I delved deeper, I encountered some challenges. The learning curve for Fidelity was steeper than Robinhood. There were so many features that it took time to figure out which ones were truly useful. But once I got the hang of it, the benefits became apparent. Climax revealed. The real surprise came when I discovered an unexpected benefit of using Fidelity. The AI algorithms helped me identify undervalued stocks that I wouldn't have noticed otherwise. This led to some profitable investments that significantly boosted my portfolio. It was a game changer. Resolution and learnings. By the end of the month, I knew I had made the right decision. Fidelity offered a more robust and intelligent way to manage my investments. The best personal finance tracker for 2026, in my opinion, is Fidelity. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Was she right to make the switch? Yes or a no? Comment your verdict. One concrete action you can take right now is to download the Fidelity app and start exploring its features. It only takes a minute, and it could change your investment strategy forever. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Always consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful content from Finance AI Pro.